Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you're on an administrator account. This avoids permission blocks. Once ready, open Start and go to Settings, then Personalization and Colors. Toggle the switch labeled Make Start, Taskbar, and Action Center transparent. This is the built-in control that triggers the translucent acrylic effect in Windows 10. You do this because Windows composites the start surface using the system accent and blur. Enabling the toggle instructs the compositor to render transparency rather than a solid. Once the transparency toggle is on, make sure your accent color and theme support acrylic. Pick an accent color or set it to automatic so the start uses a matching tint. If high contrast is enabled in ease of access, turn it off because it forces opaque rendering. To ensure the compositor applies the change immediately, sign out and back in or restart Explorer. EXE via Task Manager. This refreshes the shell and forces the Start menu to redraw with the new translucent effect. Finish by checking for Windows updates. Some builds fix acrylic inconsistencies, so make sure you're current. If third-party theming tools or shell customizers are installed, disable them since they often replace Start rendering with opaque assets. If transparency still fails, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files or reset personalization settings to defaults. These steps restore the compositor behavior. One key troubleshooting tip. Try creating a new user account. If transparency works there, the issue is profile-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.